So I drilled last night into my finger. I was drilling and the drill slipped and it literally drilled right into my finger. The blood was squirting out. My daughter-in-law is freaking out. She's bringing in stuff. We had to put on a bandage real quick and then tape it. It's pretty disgusting looking, but anyways, that's if you didn't know what was on my finger. Okay, so this is the Massachusetts State Police 1974 Dodge Monte Carlo. So, and this is the 1974 Dodge Monte Carlo. Another beautiful looking car. A lot of history in these cars. The police departments all over the country had lots of Dodges. Okay, they sold. That's why a lot of these car companies stayed in business, because all these states, 50 states, were buying their cars, and then they have to repair them or buy new ones. Matter of fact, if you go watch the old the second Smokey and the Bandits, they had like 50 of these things. They just were rolling them into the ditch. And then also the Blues Brothers is the same one. They must have crashed about 50 of these in Chicago. All real, no CGI. They had 50 of these things flying down Chicago under the elevated train, and they destroyed like 50 of them in the movie The Blues Brothers. And that was a Monte Carlo. At ProTinkerToys.com. ProTinkerToys.com. Let's open this one too. Maybe somebody will want me to sign this one. Because I have a feeling my stuff that I sign is worth more than if it's not signed. Everybody wants something with me signing on it. Oh, this one's beautiful too, because it's got a beautiful roof. Look at that roof on that. Holy cow, that looks pretty. Pretty. Look at that. Oh, let's come around. I'll come around again. Aren't those sweet? Doesn't that look sweet? That looks realistic on my little display. A nice police car. Get it in front of the town, like it's waiting there to catch somebody. And we'll sign that. We'll put ahoy on the hood. I'm gonna put ahoy on the hood. Ahoy, smiley face, and then I'll put my signature right here. Ahoy, Brian Young, at a Race Masters Auto World car. We had a great conversation with Richard at Auto World today. Phenomenal conversation. Holy cow, boy, do they have some great stuff. And it's going to be awesome. We're going to be moving like a sheep, baby. Auto World, the greatest slot cars you could ever buy. And we carry them at ProTinkerToys.com. Check out that car. 1974 Dodge Monte Carlo.